Prema, lecturer in computer science, Kumarvati Science and Commerce PU College, Shikaripura. Today's topic is logic gate. And gate means it is one of the electronic circuit, and logic gate means it is one of the electronic circuit which operates to or more input signal to producing a single output. It operates to or more input signal to producing a single output, that is generally defined as logic gate. On entire electronic devices, it will be containing its own electronic circuit. And logic gate, it can be classified as two types, like first one, basic gate, and second one, derived gate. There are the two types of logic gate will be there, basic gate and derived gate. And basic gate again classified as three types. First one, AND gate, second one, OR gate, and third one, NOT gate. And again derived gate, it will be classified as four types, like NAND gate, NOR gate, XOR gate, XNOR gate. And logic gate classified as two types, basic gate and derived gate. Basic gate again classified as three types, AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate. Again derived gate again classified as four types, NAND, NOR, XOR, XNOR. First one, what we know about AND gate. AND gate, it is also one of the type of basic gate. It operates to or more input signal to producing a single output. And AND gate, it will be generally denoted by the symbol. This is the AND gate, containing two or more input signals to producing a single output. Output will be logical multiplication. Again, it will be in this symbol, it will contain two input signal A and B. It will producing a single output F equals A into B. Again, an AND gate, it contains three input signal A, B, C. An AND gate contains three input signal A, B, C. Output will be logical multiplication F equals A into B into C. Again, an AND gate, it will be denoted by truth table. For example, we have to the truth table for AND gate using two inputs, like truth table means it is a set of all the possible values. And truth table, it is one of the table that will be represent set of all the possible values in the form of zeros and ones. And 0 means false, 1 means true. In logic gate, and 0 means false and 1 means true, it will be represent truth table. It will be represent the truth table method set of all the possible values, like there in this logic symbol containing two inputs A and B. It can be written as A and B. Output will be F equals A into B. There are three and two inputs will be there. Four comparisons is there. Both inputs are 0, A value 0 and B value 0. A value 0, B value 1. Again A value 1, B value 0. Again A value 1, B value 1. 0 into 0, 0. 0 into 1, 0. 1 into 0, 0. 1 into 1, 1. This is the truth table for AND gate using two inputs. Using two inputs. This is the truth table for AND gate using two inputs. 0, A value 0, B value 0, 0 into 0, 0. A value 0, B value 1, 0 into 1, 0. Again, A value 1, b value 0, 1 into 0, 0, a value 1, b value 1, 1 into 1, 1. This is the truth table for AND gate using 2 inputs. Again we have to know about truth table for 3 inputs. Truth table for 3 inputs, like 3 inputs will be there, A, B, C. The 3 inputs will be there, A, B, C. Output will be F equals A into B into C. Again, it will be containing 8 comparisons. In 2 inputs, we have to take as 4 comparisons. In 3 variables or 3 inputs, we have to take as 8 comparisons. Like both inputs are 0, output will be 0. Again, A value 0, B value 0, C value 1, output will be 0. Again, A value 0, B value 1, C value 0. A value 0, B value 1, C value 1. A value 1, B value 0, C value 0. Again, A value 1, B value 0, C value 1. Again, A value 1, B value 1, C value 0. A value 1, B value 1, C value 1. This is the truth table. This is the comparison, 8 comparison, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are the binary numbers. 0 into 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 0 into 1, 0, 0 into 1 into 0, 0, 0 into 1 into 1, 0, 1 into 0 into 0, 0, 1 into 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 1 into 1, 1. This is the truth table for AND gate using 3 inputs. Using 3 inputs. And next one, we have to know about what is OR gate. Second one will be the OR gate. OR gate is one of the type of basic gate. It contains 2 or more input signal to producing a single output. The output will be logical addition. In AND gate, the output will be logical multiplication. OR gate, the output will be logical addition. And the logic symbol for AND gate, it can be denoted by the symbol. This is the OR symbol. It contains 2 or more input signal, A and B. Output will be F equals A plus B. Output will be logical addition. Again, OR gate containing 2 or more input signals. It contains 3 input signals, A, B, C. Output will be F equals A plus B plus C. Again, an OR gate, it contains 4 input signals, A, B, C, D. Output will be F equals A plus B plus C plus D. This is the logic symbol for OR gate. Again, it can be represented as truth table. For example, first we have to take 2 inputs. The truth table can be represented as truth table for using 2 inputs. It can be represented as A and B are the 2 inputs. Output will be F equals A plus B. F equals A plus B. A value 0, B value 0. Again, A value 0, B value 1. A value 1, B value 0, A value 1, B value 1. Again, output will be F equals A plus B. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 1, 2 is there. Again, 2 binary number, 2 ones are added to 0. 1 can be placed using three inputs like A, B, C. There are the three inputs will be there. Output will be F equals A plus B plus C. Again, it will three inputs. It will be contain 8 comparisons like comparisons like 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. In an easy way to remember it, first column 4, 0, 4, 1 and second column 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1 and next column 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. And again 0 plus output will be F equals A plus B plus C. 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 1 plus 0, 1, 0 plus 1 plus 1, 2 is there. 2 again binary numbers 1, 0, 1 can be placed each. Again 1 plus 0 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 0 plus 1, 2 is there. 2 again binary number 1, 0, 1 can be placed there. Again 1 plus 1 plus 0, again 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3 is there. 3 it can be contained in the binary numbers 1, 1, 1 can be placed there. This is the table for OR gate using 3 inputs. This is the table for OR gate using 3 inputs. And next one, that will be the NOT gate. Third one will be the NOT gate. NOT gate is called as inverter. NOT gate is called as inverter because the input signal is not same as the output signal. It is generally defined as NOT gate. It contains only one input signal producing a single output. The logic symbol for NOT gate can be represented as, this is the NOT gate. It contains only one input signal. Input signal A will be there, output will be F equals A complement. F equals A complement. Suppose we have to give the input 0, output will be 1. And complement means 0 will be converted to 1 and 1 will be converted to 0. Suppose we have to give the input 1, output will be 0. The input signal is not same as the output signal. The truth table for NOT gate can be represented as A. Output will be F equals A complement. It contains two comparisons 0 and 1. Output will be 0 will be there. A complement means 1. A 1 will be there. Output will be 0. This is the truth table for NOT gate. And NOT gate, it is generally defined as inverter because the input signal is not same as the output signal. Next one, that will be the derived case. So in derived gate means it can be mainly derived from the basic gate. It will be classified as 4 types like NAND, NOR, XOR,